Hello darlings, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a bra cap, and we're gonna be using this robin yarn. Again, it's a 4-ply yarn and it's 100% acrylic. In this one you need to use 2 strands of the yarn, but you can also choose to use Winter King, or the robin has a yarn called Hooked by Me, and it's a medium one, which you don't have to use 2 strands, but you can use one. You will also need scissors for your project, and you'll need a hook size 3.0 if you're a loose crocheter, or a 3.5 if you are a tight crocheter. Now for this yarn I'll use like for a full bikini you'll use less than 1 yarn, because a bra cap, a bikini bra for a size small, I'm using this one. I'm making a size medium, and what I'll need to do is I'll take out the yarn from inside. We take out the baby, and sometimes the baby comes with the umbilical cord and everything, but you have to fix it. And actually this is why I don't even like robin sometimes. That's why I like a 1 strand medium yarn. But anyway, you take your 2 strands and make a knot, your first knot as usual, and then you chain up. For medium size you'll chain up 14. For me, I chain up 14. And also for every size you'll need like different measurements. For a small one you'll chain 10 or 12, and then for a medium one you'll chain 14, and then to 16, and then for a large one you can chain either 18 or 20, because the bigger the bust, the bigger the measurements. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And so this is your 14 chains, and then you'll add one more chain, that is the turning chain, to the 14 others. Chain 1, and then skip the first one and come back to the second chain from the hook, and you put in your half double crochets. It's also not mandatory for you to use the half double crochets. You can either use single crochets or whatever stitch you like, but I'll use half double crochets for this one. And you'll be making half double crochets all through until you get to the last stitch of the row. Half double crochet is yarn over, pull in the hook, pull through, and pull through the 3. Like you yarn over, you pull through the stitch, you take your yarn 3 loops and pull through the 3 loops. We are almost at the end of the row, and this is the last? Yes, this is the last stitch of the row. And so what you're gonna do here, you're gonna place 3 half double crochets in 1 stitch. This acts as the turning point of the bra cap, the pointy part of the bra cap. So that's 2, and then the third one in the same stitch, just like that. And then you don't go back, you continue to the other side. Yeah, you just continue, you don't go back. And so you skip over that end there, and then you go to the next stitch and place a half double crochet. And also, if you can carry your yarn along like I do, feel comfortable too. And then you make half double crochets all along that foundation chain that we started with. And this is our first row. So you can see the turning point, you can see it's starting to form, and this is the back part and the front part. And on this project we just use we just go through the both loops. You can also choose to go through the back loop or the front loop. It gives a different design, a different touch of the pattern, but it's your choice. Once again, as long as you know the basics of how to make the bra cap, that's okay. For the pattern, you can do whatever you feel like is prettier to you. So this is the first row of our bra cap, and you see how it looks like. It looks like a U, and then you chain one, go back, and this is how you go back, and then you make half double crochet. Please don't forget the first stitch. Sometimes you forget the first stitch. I myself forget the first stitch, and it comes out uneven, and so you make your half double crochets once again all the way up. See how it looks. You make your half double crochets until you get to the top point of the first row, and on the top stitch you make 3 more half double crochets. You may ask why we are making these half double crochets on top there, but we really need the bra cap to look pointy. We really need the bra cap to look like a triangle. We don't need it to look like a square. That's why we are placing the increases on top, at one point on top, sorry, of the bra cap. So 1, 2, and 3 half double crochets in one stitch. See, it's starting to point out over there, and the rest should be flat, to make the triangle. No, a bra cap is supposed to look triangle-ish, not circle, not square. So this pointy part enables the bra cap to go, like to form the V shape. So you continue with your half double crochets once again, and basically this is what you're going to repeat for all your rows. It's just a repeat of half double crochets, normal half double crochets all through, and then 3 half double crochets on the top of the bra cap to make the pointy part, and that's it. It's just the repeat of the same sequence over and over and over. It's not hard to make a bra cap. It's one of the simplest projects to make. I mean, crochet is not even as difficult, but anywho, here's a chance to learn. The only difficult thing is working with these 2 strands of yarn. Anyway, I think I'll work on all the other rows because I already explained the basics of this, and it's a repeat throughout. So I'll just finish up the rest of it, and we will meet when I'm done with a couple of my rows. So here once again, I keep reminding you people to remember this point, because if you don't remember this point, trust you me, it will be a square. We will be dealing with a square or maybe another shape of a thing. That's why I keep reminding you people to work the 3 half double crochets on top of the project. See, it's forming something. You can clearly tell it's forming something. We are going somewhere, you keep looking at your rows, because if you made a mistake it will show you, and you don't have to go on until you get to the last row and you're like, oh my god. So we continue and continue and continue until you get to the bust size that you want. If you are a middle sized person and you're larger, a little bit larger, you can add rows or you can reduce rows. It's your choice. You do as you make the bra cup while measuring. You can also use a measuring tape if you want. It's not a must. You just do it from your head. So we are done with our bra cup, and we are almost at the last stitch. So you do the necessary half double crochets till the last stitch of your row, like that. And see, it's really beautiful and very simple. It doesn't even take a while to make this. So what I do is I cut off my yarn, and when you count the rows, these are these are 10 rows. And also you can measure it with your tape measure. This one measures 7 inches. This is for the medium size. It measures 7 inches. For a small size, maybe it will measure 5, yeah, for someone like me, 5. And for a large person, it will measure something like 9, 9, 9, yeah. So we are done with our bra cap, and that is the simple way to make your bra cap. You chain one here and cut off your yarn. I can't find my scissors, so you just cut off your yarn. Yeah. And here is the bra cap, looking very nice. And you need this and another one to make your project. Thank you for watching.